Hello Pythonistas, welcome to Pythonista Geek channel. So today in Code With Me session, we are going to find whether a given number from the user is going to be an odd number or even number. It is very simple. The basic logic is if the given number is divisible by 2, it is going to be an even number. If it is not divisible, then it is going to be an odd number. That's it friends. Come on, let us fastly do it. Number is equal to the number is an integer, so I'm going to write int and I'm going to write input, and yeah, enter a number. And yes, after this we are going to check if num. So what is the symbol for checking the divisibility? Divisibility means it is nothing but the remainder of the number should be 0. So if we are going to divide a particular number with 2 and the remainder is 0, then it is an even number. So to find the remainder in Python, we use this percentage symbol, which is called as modulus symbol here. So I am going to write if num mod 2 is equal to 0, then I am going to say the number is an even number. As simple as possible, I think this one is, and then else we are going to say the number is an odd number. So that's it friends. I think it is very simple today, the program. Okay, I'll just run and show you. Okay, I'm going to write a number, maybe 5. 5 is an odd number, good. Again, I'm going to write a number, maybe 25. And 25 is also an odd number. Okay, I will write an even number, 2. Yeah, 2 is an even number. And what will happen if I'm going to write 0? 0 is also an even number according to our program. Okay friends, I think it is quite helpful for you. Come on friends, in Code With Me, you should be ready with your own IDE so that we both can code together. That's it friends. Okay, bye bye. This is Shravanti.